Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make cinnamon sugar. If you remember a few videos ago, we made cinnamon sugar puff puff and some of you were asking me how to make the cinnamon sugar. So I'm here to show you exactly how I made the cinnamon sugar that we use for that puff puff. And apart from using cinnamon sugar for puff puff, you could use it on toast, it's very yummy, or pretzel, or anything, you just name it. So we need just two ingredients for this recipe, two simple ingredients, and it's going to be half cup of sugar. That's my measuring cup. You have to level it up. You don't heap it, okay? So that's half cup of sugar. Okay, pour that in. And we need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is very, very concentrated. So by the time we pour this together, we will then combine it. Okay. And I'll just get my whisk and give it a good mix. Look at that combination. Just look at that. Very easy, very simple. And you could just store this into an airtight container and it's ready to be used. When I told you earlier that cinnamon is very concentrated, look at how concentrated it looks inside, you know, the sugar. Look at it. And that's what we have. Okay? That's what we have. So you could just put it in an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. And you could keep it for as long as you can. It has a very long shelf life. Okay? If you've enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, and of course, hit the like button. And if you're watching and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.